Welcome everyone. We are from Group 17 and we are here to present our take for the solution to the task of plucking coconuts. We have selected this problem since a proper, efficient and inexpensive solution is not yet introduced to this matter. The only available solutions are hiring a coconut tree climber, which can really be difficult due to modern times, or to use a blade tied to a bamboo stick, which will be unsafe and inefficient. No matter what the hardship is to pluck them, coconuts are still essential for many people, especially Sri Lankans. The available solutions are revolving around high risk, and the safe high-tech solutions available are way too costly for domestic use. Therefore, we have designed a mechanical, efficient and inexpensive device to pluck coconuts with ease.
Climbing trees can be a very dangerous task for the general people. Only the well-experienced climbers can do this task safely. However, it is not an easy task to find climbers in the modern days, which makes the people who need the service to wait until the climbers are available. Some people use a homemade coconut plucking device, which is made by attaching a knife to a tall bamboo. When using this device, the knife attached can fall, leading to an accident. Sometimes the bamboo will not be able to reach tall trees as well. In some areas of the world, monkeys are trained to pluck coconuts as well, which is not a very reliable method. Therefore, a new solution is needed, since there are many problems with the old methods used.
This is our conceptual design, and considering all the factors and combining everyone's ideas, we have chosen this as the best design. Here we have used a circular blade because it is easy to reach any place and can cut through any thickness of shoot. And also, as the stand, we chose a tripod stand which makes the pole more stable on the ground. For the telescopic pole, an aluminium pole is taken because aluminium is lightweight and strong. And also, in the pole, we have used cam locks where people can extend the pole up to any limit they want. When considering power as the main source of power, we have used a rechargeable battery which can be used again and again. To turn on the blade, a push button switch has been applied so it is easy for users to use. At last, when it comes to the grip, a rubber grip is taken so that the pole won't slip easily and create safety issues.
When it comes to the functional breakdown of this device, the ability to reach greater heights is the most significant requirement. Unlike traditional bamboo coconut plucking poles, our design has a telescopic pole that provides consumers with the benefits of height adjustment, compact storage space, and portability. Friction between the poles is the basis of this system. Due to the presence of a tight locking mechanism that employs cam locks, the telescopic pole may be locked at various heights when extended. The blade, which is used to cut shoots, is the second aspect. We have fitted a rotating circular blade that's the most effective at this job. Due to its fast rotational speed, this blade will readily cut through shoots of any thickness. Angular momentum is the physical principle at work here. Surely, a component to control this device exists. A push-button switch has been incorporated to switch the circular blade on and off. This is a pretty simple device to use. The motor will be switched on with a single push of a button and vice versa. The button extends and contracts due to the spring forces operating on it. Since this product includes electronic components, for example the motor, we have added a rechargeable battery to power up our device. This will transform the chemical energy it has accumulated into electrical energy which will be used to power the motor. This energy will be transformed into kinetic energy, causing the blade to rotate. The principle of electrolysis plays a role inside the battery.
For the controlling part of the device, the working principle for the button is when the spring will retract, cutting down the current flow of the circuit. For the ease of plucking coconuts, the working principle for the rotating circular blade is the blade rotates at a steady rate around an axis. For the supply of energy, the battery works on the oxidation and reduction reaction of an electrolyte with metals. Most of the energy transfers are from chemical to electrical energy and electrical to mechanical energy such as kinetic and gravitational potential energy. The materials we use are the aluminium pole, buttons, iron molding, nylon net, rubber grip, etc.
Coconut is a significant tree to Sri Lanka, and coconut plays a major role in Sri Lankan food. Unfortunately, as we all know, coconut plucking is a very hard task to do for the general people in their day-to-day life in these modern days, and the methods that are being used and all the methods used in the past are dangerous as mentioned earlier. These solutions are not efficient, therefore we have come up with an efficient solution to this problem, which is the coconut plucking device.
Moving on to our newly developed coconut plucking device, which is safe, efficient and user-friendly. Anything you want this device to do, just name it. It has a rotating circular blade that can cut through any thickness of shoot, a telescopic pole that can reach a height of up to 65 feet, a smooth and tight locking system, a rubber grip for your safety, and a tripod stand that can extend up to 65 degrees in angle. For maximum safety, all wires are insulated and fitted well inside the device. The body of the pole is manufactured using aluminium, making it extremely lightweight. The blade out of steel. And lastly, the tripod is made out of iron, which will give the device maximum stability.
We have a stand in the form of a tripod to increase the stability. Initially, unfold the stand and place it vertically in horizontal plane. Then fix the blade to the iron molding at the top of the device. Then unlock the cam locks and increase the height of the telescopic pole manually to your desired height and lock the height again using the cam lock. Then you can start the blade using the push button and cut the required amounts of coconuts you want.
Here, in the interior design, there is a battery in the bottom of the pole, and the motor is at the top of the pole near the blade. The motor, switch and the rechargeable battery is connected via a network of wires which goes through the telescopic pole. The motor rotates the blade at high speed and it is powered by the battery, and also the switch is used to turn on the blade. The battery and the motor is stacked onto the pole through nut and bolts, and also both the motor and the batteries held onto holders, which helps the equipment to be steady in place.
All these functions make this device extremely convenient. The telescopic pole, when extended, gives the device the ability to reach greater heights. When contracted, it gives the device the opportunity to be stowed in a compact place. The height adjustability makes it possible to reach different height trees easily. And the mechanically rotating blade makes it easier to cut through any shoot with less effort, as it doesn't include any action of pulling. Not to mention, the button activation of the blade makes it really convenient. I would like to thank Mr. Madhav Herath for providing us with the knowledge that helped us in making this project a success, and Ms. Oshadi Patrana for guiding us throughout this project. Thank you.